Let us study genetic disorders. As name indicate, disorders produced by genes or genetic material. We call them as genetic disorders. There are two broad categories of genetic disorders. As first one, Mendelian disorders and chromosomal disorders. So they may ask question for 1 mark. Which are two categories of genetic disorder? So first one, Mendelian disorder. Second, chromosomal disorder. In that first one, Mendelian disorders. Mendelian disorders are mainly due to mutation or alteration in gene. Alteration meaning change. So here disorders which are produced by mutation. You know meaning of mutation? Mutation, that is change in gene or genetic material, or it is alteration, same, change in gene. Which are examples of Mendelian disorder? First one, thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, color blindness, hemophilia, and PKU. You have seen phenylketonuria. While chromosomal disorders are caused due to absence or excess of one or more chromosomes or their abnormal arrangement. We know second type of genetic disorders are chromosomal disorders. They are caused due to absence or excess of one or more chromosome. एक किंवा एकापेक्षा जास्त क्रोमोझोम असतात किंवा त्यांची अरेंजमेंट कशी असते, ॲबनॉर्मल, रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर क्रोमोझोमल डिसऑर्डर. विच आर एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ क्रोमोझोमल डिसऑर्डर? दीज आर कॉमनली सिंड्रोम ॲज डाऊन सिंड्रोम, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome. These three examples you have to study in your syllabus. In that we study first of all a genetic disorder. Example, thalassemia. It is a Mendelian disorder caused due to gene mutation. So gene undergo change responsible for mutation and leads to thalassemia. Thalassemia is autosomal inherited recessive disease. Autosomal caused due to gene present on autosome, inherited from one generation to next generation because of recessive gene. That's why it is autosomal inherited recessive disease. Is it clear? Thalassemia is which type of disease? It is caused by gene mutation. Example of genetic disorder. How it is? Autosomal inherited recessive disease. What are its features or characters? Here, hemoglobin molecule is made up of 4 polypeptide chains. Polypeptide meaning protein chains. Which are that? 2 alpha chains represented by letter alpha and 2 beta chains by letter B. So hemoglobin molecule is made up of 4 polypeptide chain, 2 alpha chain and 2 beta chain. Synthesis of alpha chains are controlled by 2 closely linked genes, HBA1 and HBA2. They are present on chromosome number 16. So synthesis of alpha polypeptide chain. They are under control of 2 closely linked genes, HBA1 and HBA2. What is their location? They are present on chromosome number 16. Synthesis of beta chain is controlled by single gene HBB. So gene HBB is responsible for synthesis of beta chain. What is its location? It is present on chromosome number 11. So they may ask location of gene HBB, HBA1, HBA2. So depending on which chain hemoglobin is affected, thalassemia is of 2 types as alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. So if synthesis of alpha chain is affected, it causes alpha thalassemia. If synthesis of beta chain get affected, it causes beta thalassemia. It is due to deletion. Deletion meaning absence. Deletion or mutation of gene which code for alpha and beta globin chains that result in abnormal synthesis of hemoglobin. तर आपण जे दोन जीन पाहिले HbA1 HbA2 किंवा HbB हे जे जीन आहेत रिस्पेक्टिव्ह अल्फा किंवा बीटा ग्लोबिन चेन तयार करतात. ह्या जीनमध्ये काय होतं चेंज होतो म्हणजेच काय होतं म्युटेशन किंवा डिलिशन होतं. आता ही जीनच नाही म्हणजे ते जे रिस्पेक्टिव्ह पॉलिपेप्टाइड चेन तयार करतात अल्फा चेन बीटा चेन हे तयार होतील का नाही. सो इट रिझल्ट इन abnormal synthesis of hemoglobin. Which are symptoms of thalassemia? So they may ask symptoms of thalassemia for 1 mark. In that first one anemia. Anemia meaning deficiency of hemoglobin. का तर हिमोग्लोबिन प्रॉपर अमाऊंटमध्ये तयार होत नाही, त्यामध्ये असलेल्या अल्फा चेन बीटा चेन यांचं सिंथेसिस ॲफेक्ट झालेलं आहे. पेल येलो स्किन, स्लो ग्रोथ and development. These are main symptoms of thalassemia. First one anemia, pale yellow skin, slow growth and development. Then second symptom of thalassemia, change in shape and size of RBCs and urine become dark colored, dark urine. So these are important symptoms of thalassemia. May come for 1 mark or 2 mark question. Now how to treat that thalassemia? Massive blood transfusion is required to these patients or to this person. So blood transfusion is a remedy to overcome thalassemia. Now what is the difference between thalassemia and sickle cell anemia? They may ask this question for 1 mark. So thalassemia is quantitative problem of synthesizing 4 globin molecule to alpha chain and synthesizing few globin molecule, not 4, few globin molecule. So here globin molecules, their quantity get affect qualitative. Thalassemia is qualitative problem of synthesizing few globin molecule. So which are 2 qualities? First one alpha quality, alpha chain. Second one beta chain. So qualities are different. While in case of sickle cell anemia, there is problem of synthesizing an incorrectly functional globin. So globin is not produced in proper amount or it is not synthesized properly. That are regarding differences of what we call sickle cell anemia and first one thalassemia. So they may ask for note for 1 mark for 2 or 3 mark question on thalassemia. The next one, that is Down syndrome, also known by term 21st trisomy. Why it is called trisomy? Because in this chromosome pair 21st contains 3 chromosomes instead of 2. जी क्रोमोझोमची 21वी ऑटोसोमची जोडी आहे त्याच्यामध्ये 2 ऐवजी 3 क्रोमोझोम असतात, म्हणजे ॲबनॉर्मॅलिटी आली आणि म्हणून याला म्हटलं जातं ट्रायसोमी ऑफ 21st chromosome or 21st trisomy. So in 1866 physician Johann Langdon Down described this autosomal disorder. Which type of disorder? Autosomal, because 21st is autosome pair. Hence the name what we call 21st trisomy. It is autosomal disorder. Down syndrome is caused due to extra copy of chromosome number 21st. We call it as 21st trisomy. So instead of 2, 1 chromosome is extra in chromosome group number 21st. Have you got meaning of 21st trisomy? एक क्रोमोझोम 21व्या जोडीमध्ये जास्त आहे म्हणून त्याला म्हणायचं ट्रायसोमी. ट्राय मिनिंग 3. Instead of homologous pair, there is presence of 3 copies of chromosome. I have told you the same 2 to 3 times. So 3 chromosomes are there, 3 copies of chromosome. Now normal number is 46, but as there is 1 copy extra, chromosome number of such individual comes 47. 46 ऐवजी किती क्रोमोझोम राहणार डिप्लॉइड सेलमध्ये 47. 47 chromosomes are there. Individuals have 47 chromosomes instead of 46. Why it is produced? 21st trisomy occur due to non-disjunction. Non-disjunction meaning separation or failure of separation of chromosome during gamete formation. ज्यावेळेला गॅमेट तयार होतात स्पर्म किंवा एग, त्यावेळेला 21वी जी जोडी आहे आयदर मेल किंवा फिमेल गॅमेटमध्ये 21व्या जोडीतले 2 क्रोमोसोम सेपरेट न होता तसेच राहतात. म्हणजे जे गॅमेट असेल स्पर्म किंवा एग याच्यामध्ये हे 2 क्रोमोझोमच जसेच्या तसे राहतात आणि त्याला सेकंड गॅमेट येऊन फ्यूज झाला. सेकंड गॅमेट नॉर्मल आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये एकच क्रोमोझोम आहे 21वा, तर 2 अधिक 1 असे किती होणार 3 क्रोमोझोम नवीन झायगोटमध्ये किंवा नवीन बॉडीमध्ये. दॅट्स वाय इट इज नॉन डिसजंक्शन ऑर फेल्युअर ऑफ सेपरेशन ऑफ क्रोमोझोम ड्युरिंग गॅमेट फॉर्मेशन. Non-disjunction is commonly seen in mothers who are over 45 years old. 45 नंतर समजा अशा मदरनी, अशा आईनी नवीन बाळाला जन्म दिला तर गॅमेटोजेनेसिस होत असताना 21व्या जोडीतले जे 2 क्रोमोझोम आहेत हे सेपरेट होत नाही. म्हणजे हे जे एग तयार करणार आहे मदर, इट इज ए ॲबनॉर्मल एग बिकॉज 21st chromosomes are 2 in number because no disjunction occur. So that is a cause of what we call Down formation. Now which are symptoms of Down syndrome? So generally question is asked for 1 mark or 2 mark, give symptoms of Down syndrome. Patients have mild or moderate mental retardation. So these patients are having low mental development or mentally retarded, moderate to mild. Poor skeletal development. Skeletal development is not normal like that of a normal human. Distinct facial features. Face is different. Which are that? Small head, ears and mouth. जे इंडिव्हिज्युअल आहेत त्यांचं डोकं, कान आणि तोंड हे छोटं असतं. फेस इज टिपिकली फ्लॅट अँड राउंडेड. चेहरा चपटा असतो, गोलाकार असतो. नोज इज फ्लॅट. माउथ रिमेन ओपन विथ प्रोट्रुडिंग टंग. प्रोट्रुडिंग मिनिंग विच कम्स आउट, टंग कम्स आउट. जीभ बाहेर आलेली असल्यामुळे तोंड नेहमी उघडं राहतं. फ्लॅट हँड अँड स्टबी फिंगर्स. फिंगर्स आर स्टबी. स्टबी मिनिंग शॉर्ट. Palm is broad with single palmar crease. Crease meaning line or notch. आपल्या पाम रिजनला तळहातावरती जशा लाईन असतात अशा 3 किंवा 4 लाईन या इंडिव्हिज्युअलच्या पामला नसतात. देअर इज ओनली सिंगल पामर क्रीस और पामर लाईन. इज इट क्लिअर? तर आपल्या शाळेच्या मागे एक शाळा आहे बघा, सुहित ट्रस्टची. इथे जाणारे विद्यार्थी, हे असं मी सांगायला नको पण तुम्हाला माहितीसाठी सांगते, काही विद्यार्थी तुम्ही पाहिलेत तर ह्यांचा चेहरा वेगळा दिसतो, आपल्याला नॉर्मल इंडिव्हिज्युअलसारखा दिसत नाही. आणि इथे जसं म्हटलं आहे माउथ रिमेन ओपन विथ प्रोट्रुडिंग टंग, हे जे फीचर आहे हे एकदम टिपिकल फीचर आहे ह्या इंडिव्हिज्युअलमध्ये, क्लिअर दिसत असतं, आपल्याला सांगण्याचीही गरज लागत नाही. प्रोट्रुडिंग टंग इज देअर. ओके, सो दीज आर फीचर्स ऑफ डाऊन सिंड्रोम.